When ordering an Ella's tub with a 2-piece fast fill faucet, it will come with pre-drilled holes for easier installation. Carefully insert the 2-piece unit into the main hole. There is a built-in gasket on the bottom of the faucet set. Make sure that's set correctly. The metal locking plate has a cutout for easier installation. There's a foam gasket designed for proper fit and leak prevention. Install both as shown here and hand screw the attachment bolts tightly and then secure with a screwdriver. Place the locking nuts on the bolts and tighten securely. Give an extra 1/4 to 1/2 extra turn without over-torquing. Next, before installing the supply lines, make sure the gasket is seated correctly. The hot supply line has red markings and the cold has blue markings. Both lines have reverse threads. After hand tightening, add 1/4 to 1/2 turn with a wrench. Attach both lines the same way. The 2-piece faucet comes with an extendable hand shower. The shower line is attached to the tub using a receptacle. There's a built-in gasket at the bottom of the receptacle. Make sure it's seated correctly. Place the receptacle into the pre-drilled hole and hand tighten the plastic locking nut. Secure with an extra 1/4 to 1/2 turn with a wrench. The shower hose line is attached with an adapter nut. Check for correct gasket seating. Without the adapter nut attached, thread the hose line through the receptacle. Take the adapter nut and place it on the brass connector, making sure the gasket is seated correctly. Hand tighten and then add 1/4 to 1/2 turns with a wrench. The final assembly should look like this.